We all know how destructive our Mother Nature is. There are central disaster on Earth, and one is an earthquake.
But what is an earthquake? An earthquake is the shaking of the Earth's surface that releases energy to Earth's lithosphere.
But what will you do this experience this event?
Identify the place where to stay when the shaking starts.
Practice the drop, hold, and cover.
Set aside the item that could pull and cause injuries.
Stay, drop, hold, and cover.
While the ground are shaking, find a hard nearby object for protection and cover.
Get calm and have a presence of mind.
Immediately and calmly leave the school buildings or rooms. Proceed to the planned evacuation area or look for an open space. Earthquake drill are so important part of our plan because it teach every individuals on how you respond to our complication of our actual earth and be preventing this event to our happen again way back 1990-2013 earthquake. I hope you learned something this video that remember to be prepared for earthquake. Stay